Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. You can see that I'm facing one of the issue that error during the database connection initialization query failed, relation user does not exist. So how to fix this issue we are going to learn in this video. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So basically the issue is basically that the table is not yet created and you are trying to insert the data. Okay, so if the table is not created, that means there is an issue, right? So how to fix it? If you're using the app data source or whether you are going to go with the orm config.json, right? The common thing is that synchronization. Make sure you have to add the synchronization over here. Okay, so just add this synchronize true for that to create the table from the entities, right? So it will take it from here and it will create the table. So the synchronize is very important, and login is basically for the logging the data into your console. Okay, so make if you want to log the queries, you can enable it by true, else make sure synchronize to be true to create the entities. Okay, let's run it. Okay, let's scroll down, let's run now, and successfully done. Okay, so this is how you can fix this issue. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section, and don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.